In this test, I've completely filled the container with soapy bubbles, so it's 50% soapy water, 50% bubbles. I have placed the inlet pipe into the bubbles so that it is drawing in small fine soap bubbles as opposed to water itself, so that the soapy bubbles completely clog the system, as I'm wanting to find out how the system reacts to it. You can see here that the pressure is very low compared to the normal pressure levels because it's pumping air in the form of soap bubbles into the system as opposed to water. It stabilises around about 0.8 bar. You can hear that the pump is not struggling at all, it's just running effectively dry. Here you can see that the system is still creating water by compressing what it has of the bubbles back into a liquid form and using residue water within the system. However, later on it will slowly die. Here you can see how both filters have completely filled up with soapy air bubbles. There's a small amount of water at the bottom of the left hand side of the activated carbon filter, and on the other side the water level is much higher as it is compressing that water through the filter out into the shower head. This is showing the system going up to around about 1.5 bars. As the water being drawn into the system varies slightly. You can hear now that the pump is starting to struggle to bring in water. There's more air in the system, so it's slowly shutting it off. The pump itself will continue to function, except it will just be throwing air into the system, not water. Pressure now starts to drop as there is no back pressure from the water in the system. You can see now the level of soapy bubbles filled in the activated carbon filter.